Hey guys, Scott here. Today I'm going to do a quick review and show you how to open a can that I've never seen before, and this is crazy, with the KitchenAid Classic. This is actually their multifunction can opener. Just got it in, as you can see. So we're going to open it up here and here. There's a couple reasons I got this. One, my old one wasn't working anymore, so I needed a new one. But number two, the thing I really liked about this is it also has a bottle opener. I'm constantly going through the drawer with the silverware and accessories and looking for a can opener, or bottle opener, excuse me, and I'll know where one is now. But this is crazy. Tell me if you knew this. Unbelievable. Instead of opening a can this way, right here, you can open it this way. That's right. Look at that. You go and open it this way right here, and what happens is it cuts off the entire top, and then you don't have to mess with trying to get the lid out and popping that out. It is a game changer. I never knew this before. I was shocked, but this does it really well. Just clamp on, go all the way around, and the top will pop off. This is awesome.